Good morning, class. Welcome to Vishnu Bhagwan e-learning app. Now, today we solve some word problem based on multiplication of fraction. Okay, so let's see. First question. You can note down the question along with me. Okay. First one is, if milk is available at rupees 17 whole 3 upon 4 per liter, then find the cost of 7 whole 2 by 5 liters of milk. Question is, if the cost of 1 liter milk is 17 whole 3 by 4, then what will be the cost of 7 whole 2 upon 5 liter of milk? So see the solution. Cost of 1 liter milk is, now you have here is cost is rupees 17 whole 3 by 4. Change it into the improper fraction. 17 fours are 68. 68 plus 3, 71 rupees. 71 upon 4. Now this is the cost of 1 liter milk. So question is, what will be the cost of 7 whole 2 upon 5 liter of milk? Cost of 7 whole 2 by 5 liter of milk. Now to find the cost of this much liter of milk, we just multiply this quantity with 1 liter of cost of 1 liter of milk. So total milk is 7 whole 2 upon 5. This is the total liter of milk, multiplying by the cost of 1 liter of milk. Cost of 1 liter of milk is 71 whole 71 upon 4. 71 upon 4. Now change this quantity in improper fraction. 7 fives are 35. 35 plus 2, 37 upon 5 into 71 upon 4. Okay. Now if you see here, there is no cancellation is possible, because 37 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, and 71 is a prime number. So there is no cancellation is possible. So just multiply the numerator and the denominator. 5 into 4, 20, and 37 into 71. Multiply this. 37 into 71. Here comes 2627. Okay, this is the total cost. Now you can change it also in mixed fraction. So it comes, divide this by 20, 2627 by 20. So 20 ones are 20, it comes 62. 23 is a 60, it comes 27, again 20. So 7 whole 7 upon 20, and 131 is the total whole part. So the total cost will be 131 whole upon 7 upon 131 whole 7 upon 20. Okay. Now note the next question. Question 2. If the side of a square is, note down the question. If the side of a square is 6 whole 2 upon 3 meter, then find the area of the square. Then find the area of the square. Now solution. Side of a square is how much given? Suppose this is your square. So in a square there are 4 sides. Question is side of a square, and all sides are equal in square. So side of a square is 6 whole 2 upon 3. So this side is also 6 whole 2 by 3. This side is also 6 whole 2 by 3. This side also 6 whole 2 by 3. Okay. Now you have to find what? Area of square. So area of square. Formula of area of square is side into side. So how much the side of the square is given? 6 whole 2 upon 3 multiply by 6 whole 2 upon 3. Change it in improper fraction. Here comes 20 by 3 into 20 by 3. So 400 upon 9. You can change it in mixed fraction. 400 upon 9 meter square. 9 4 the 36. Again 4. So 44 whole 4 upon 9 meter square is your answer. You can take the screenshot of this page. Now we come to the next question. Next question is, find the area of a rectangular park which is 41 whole 2 by 3 meter long and 18 whole 3 by 5 meter broad. Clear? Now solution. This is your park. Okay, this is your park. The length of the park is 41 whole 2 by 3 meter and the breadth of the park is 18 whole 3 by 5 meter. Now you have to find this area of the park. So to find this area, length of park is 41 whole 2 by 3 meter and the breadth of park is 18 whole 3 by 5 meter. Formula of area of rectangle is length into breadth. 41 whole 2 by 3 into 18 whole 3 by 5. So 3 ones are 3, 4 3 12, 125 upon 3 into 18 5 are 90, 90 plus 3, 93 upon 5. You can cancel this. It goes 93 in 3, 93 goes 31 times, and 125 divided by 5 in 25 times. Multiply this. 25 ones are 25, 2 carry, 25 3 is 75 plus 2 77 meter square. Clear? Any question? Any problem, class? Now we take one more question. Fourth question is, a cartoon cartoon contains 40 boxes of nail, and each box weight is 3 whole 3 by 4 kg. How much would a cartoon of nail weight? Now question is, a cartoon contains 40 boxes of nail. Suppose there is a cartoon and it contains 40 boxes, small boxes of nail. Okay, 40 boxes. If one box weight is 3 whole 3 upon 4 kg, then what will be the weight of this whole cartoon? So solution will be, weight of nail box is 3 whole 3 by 4 kg. So weight of cartoon contain 40 such boxes equal to, this is the weight of one box, this multiply by 40 such boxes. So multiply this, 4 3 12, 12 3 plus 12 plus 3 15 upon 4 into 40. 4 tens are 40. So 15 tens are 150 kg. Again, you can take the screenshot. Okay, thank you class.